Hello and welcome everyone. This is Kaylin's English podcast. This podcast is designed for English learners. I'm here to help you practice your listening skills. I'm Kaylin, a professional English teacher on italki. Today's episode is about idioms. Idioms are a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. They are used to express complex ideas in a simple way. They can be used to add dynamism and character to speech and writing. They are a creative way of expressing oneself. They are not to be taken literally. In this episode, I will state the idiom, its meaning, and examples of how to use it. Our first one is spill the beans. It means to give away a secret. I'm going to try to not spill the beans about the surprise birthday party for Mom. Please do not spill the beans about my bad habit. Our parents do not know about it. Sorry, I spilled the beans about you getting a raise at work today. Jim spilled the beans about proposing to his girlfriend. You seem excited about something. Spill the beans. Once again, that idiom was spill the beans, which means give away a secret. Come rain or shine is our next one. It means no matter what. Come rain or shine, I am going to be there for your wedding. I will help you with that project, come rain or shine. He will do as he promised, come rain or shine. Another idiom that you can use to mean no matter what is come hell or high water. Come rain or shine or hell or high water, I will be there to mow your lawn sometime this week. I will be there for you, come hell or high water. The two idioms I just covered were come rain or shine and come hell or high water, which both mean no matter what. Our next idiom is go down in flames, which means to fail spectacularly. That dancer went down in flames yesterday as they fell off the stage repeatedly. I went down in flames on my math exam. I should have studied harder. This project is sure to go down in flames as we ran out of time to finish. My speech went down in flames as no one showed up, and I kept tripping over my words. Surely you're going to go down in flames if you try that bike stunt. Once again, that idiom was go down in flames, which means to fail spectacularly. See eye to eye is the next one, and it means to agree completely. I don't always see eye to eye with my mother, but I still love her. I think we can see eye to eye if we take a bit more time to discuss the issue. I see eye to eye with my best friend all the time. She is great. When will you ever see eye to eye with your boss? We totally see eye to eye about the party plans. That idiom was see eye to eye, which means to agree completely. Next, when pigs fly, which means something that will never happen or is impossible. I will allow you to go to the concert when pigs fly. When pigs fly is when you will get your cell phone back. When pigs fly, you will see me wear a dress. I will buy a house when pigs fly. The Cleveland Browns will win the Super Bowl when pigs fly. This idiom was when pigs fly, which means something will never happen or it is impossible. Another idiom that means something will never happen or is impossible is when hell freezes over. I will get a tattoo when hell freezes over. I will get a piercing when hell freezes over. When hell freezes over, I will buy a new house. I love my house. Hell will freeze over if she ever gets a new job. Once again, hell freezes over means that something is not likely to happen or is impossible. Hit the roof means sudden anger or lost your temper or expresses extreme annoyance. When Mom finds out what you did, she's going to hit the roof. I really hit the roof when they would not stop making that loud screeching noise. He really hit the roof when he saw my grades. Hit the roof also means a sharp price increase. The price of gasoline has hit the roof. Some brands' prices have hit the roof in recent years. Hit the roof once again means sudden loss of your temper and a sharp price increase. Our final idiom is close call, which means a narrow escape from danger. I had a close call when crossing the intersection. I had a close call yesterday when riding my bike. I saw a close call on my way to work. My heart is racing as that was a close call. Close call means to barely escape a dangerous situation. We are coming to the end of this episode. Here are the idioms that I have mentioned. Spill the beans. Come rain or shine. Come hell or high water. Go down in flames. See eye to eye. When pigs fly. When hell freezes over. Hit the roof. And close call. I hope we now see eye to eye with regards to idioms. I hope this podcast does not go down in flames, but come rain or shine, I will prevail. You won't have to wait until pigs fly to become an expert when using these idioms. Just start using them. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like more content, then please subscribe to this podcast. You can also support me on Patreon. Find me by typing in Kaylin Teacher. On Patreon, you can gain early access to the podcast and transcriptions. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Kaylin_teacher. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, bye!